Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am going to be making my version of fried rice with chicken. So let's get started. So I got some oil that has already been heated. So now I'm going to add my green seasoning. Now I'm going to add my chopped up chicken. Now I'm going to add my Maggi season up. This is called chicken cubes. Now I'm going to add a bit of salt. And a bit of black pepper. Now I'm going to add some powdered ginger. Now I'm going to add some cassava kasari. You can get Pepe's cassava kasrip at South American imports the Farrington Anguilla. So the chicken has loosed its own water. I'm going to give it a little stir and leave it fry down. So I'm going to leave my chicken cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then I'm going to add my rice and the other ingredients. As you can see, it already got its color. And the smell is amazing. So my chicken has cooked down nicely. Now I'm going to add a bowl of rice. I'm going to add a bowl and a half of water. Now I'm going to add some nora, some corn, and some chopped up seasoning peppers. Now I'm going to give it a little stir. So I'm going to cover my pot and leave this cook for about 10 to 15 minutes on a very slow heat. So the water has steamed out from the rice. So now I'm going to add a grated carrot. Now I'm going to give it a good turn. It's looking real good, folks. Smells real good too. I'm going to leave my fried rice cool and get ready to fry my chicken. While the fried rice is cooling, I already washed some chicken leg with warm water and vinegar, so I'm going to season it now with some green seasoning, some Maggi season up, two chicken cubes, some Guyanese hot sauce, black pepper, and some salt. I am mixing it now. So I'm going to mix this very well so that all the flavors blend in to the chicken. I'm gonna leave it soak for about 10 minutes, then I'm going to fry it. So I'm going to leave my chicken fried for about 10 minutes on each side until they become golden brown and crispy. So my chicken has fried for about 10 minutes on one side, so now I'm going to flip it. See how golden and crispy it is? Got a goodness here, boy. Goodness. Going to leave this fry for about another 10 to 15 minutes, then take it out of the oil. So folks, my chicken has gotten its golden brown and crispy. So now I'm going to take it out and rest it on the board so that it can cool and go to slice. So folks, the finished product, Guyanese style Chinese fried rice and fried chicken would be served with some cabbage. Time for the taste test. Like real Guyanese style fried rice. Nice fried chicken. Delicious. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.